Hola mis amigos, this is Tarpor, and welcome to a tutorial on how to customize desktop icons for Windows 8.1. And for those of you who don't know, desktop icons are the pictures for these guys over here. Initially, I'm going to open my desktop browser, Google Chrome, in order to find and download an image. That image will soon become the icon for my music folder. Let's go with the first picture here. That will look great as an icon. Now I'm going to download it onto my computer. Now, there we go. The first step is already done. Second, I'm going to go onto a website that will burn this nasty white background. I don't want it showing up with the music note. I have it pasted onto a sticky note at the moment for ease of access, but for all of you watching, I'll leave all links from this video in the description. When you get to the background burner, just go ahead and move your downloaded image to the indicated Dropbox. My dragon friend here will now burn the background for me, and voila, we got ourselves an image without a background. I'll select it now. All I have to do now is download it as a JPEG file, very important, and the finished product will be a good old backgroundless image. Fantastic! That will also be added to our download tray now. For the next step, I'll be visiting our second website. That link will also be in the description. When you get here, drag your burned image to the indicated area. Scroll down and convert the image after it's done loading. After another quick loading screen, the new ICO file with a burned background will become the final item added to my download tray. Here it is now, final form, full glory, beautiful icon. Now it's time to exit out of the browser and check out the desktop item you want to change. Right click, go to Properties, go to Customize. Now let me bring it to center screen real quick. Click Change Icon and go to Browse, and there you go. Your image will be right there if it is indeed in your downloads tray. Go ahead and click on it and open it up. Now, click OK. Click Apply right here, and then click this OK. Haha, here we are, almost to the end. But you guys have one final step before this is really over. Please, like and comment the video if you can. It's a great way of leaving me feedback as to what I can do better. Heck, dislike it. Just leave me feedback for this video. If you really want to support my YouTube journey, though, then subscribe to TarporLegend. It's a big help. It keeps me motivated. Alright, that's really all now. Adios todo el mundo y hasta luego. See ya in the next one.